been pretty great. I couldn't have chosen a better hostel in Paris, to be honest. There's a beautiful canal, close to a lot of great locations, and the service was amazing. Just the night events were really fun, from free wine nights to, beer pong. We got to meet a lot of really great people. So we all sat around the table and just started talking. I got to meet people from Argentina, from South France, from Madrid.
Yeah, the hostel here is typically a very young crowd. Most of the travelers we have are from all over the world, and typically they're quite young, like early 20s. We always do a hostel event at 8 p.m. Then we do an event that's either like it's a cocktail class, or it's like a group organized beer pong, or it's wine and cheese because we're in Paris. That's usually what brings the crowd, and
it's really cool to watch. I've gotten to meet people from all over Europe and even from the States.